Over 60? 5 bedtime foods that burn belly fat while you sleep. Are you over 60 and struggling to lose belly fat? Are you tired of feeling frustrated and helpless as you watch the scale stay stubbornly in the same place, no matter how much effort you put in at the gym or with your diet? If you're looking to finally shed those unwanted pounds around your midsection, then this video is for you. We will be exploring 5 incredible bedtime foods that can help you burn off extra calories while you sleep, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and one step closer to achieving your weight loss goals. These foods are not only easy to incorporate into your nightly routine, but also packed with nutrients and flavor, making it simple to stick to a healthy eating plan even when you're winding down for bed. So get ready to say goodbye to those stubborn pounds and hello to a healthier, happier you with these powerful nighttime snacks. Before we dive into our list of 5 bedtime foods that burn belly fat, while you sleep, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our health and wellness tips and tricks. Bedtime snacking can be a great way to prevent late-night cravings and overeating, but it's important to choose wisely. The wrong type of food can sabotage your weight loss efforts, while the right snack can keep you feeling full and satisfied through the night. Before we reveal our top picks for the best bedtime snacks for weight loss, let's take a look at some foods that should be avoided before bed. Sugary treats like cookies and ice cream may be tempting, but they'll only cause blood sugar spikes and energy crashes, leaving you feeling hungry and sluggish in the morning. Processed foods like chips and instant noodles can cause inflammation and weight gain. And fatty or spicy foods can disrupt your sleep and digestion. Alcohol may help you relax, but it can also cause dehydration and poor sleep quality. Now that you know what to avoid, let's move on to the good stuff. Here are our top 5 picks for bedtime snacks that will help you burn belly fat while you sleep. No. 5. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a high-protein superfood that can keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. One study found that consuming a high-protein snack like Greek yogurt can reduce calorie intake at subsequent meals by up to 30%. This means that by having a bowl of Greek yogurt before bed, you may be able to reduce your overall calorie intake without even realizing it. The protein in Greek yogurt also helps to preserve muscle mass, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Plus, it contains calcium, which has been shown to aid in fat loss by reducing calorie intake and increasing feelings of fullness. To make this snack even more effective for burning belly fat, try adding a scoop of peanut butter or a drizzle of honey for a little extra protein and sweetness. Just be sure to keep the portions in check to avoid consuming too many calories. Greek yogurt and berries are a delicious and nutritious way to end your day and set yourself up for success in the morning. Number 4. Walnuts and almonds. Walnuts and almonds are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a great option for a filling and satisfying bedtime snack. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating a handful of nuts before bed can increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake the following day. Nuts also contain melatonin, which can help regulate sleep cycles and improve sleep quality. Eating a small handful of walnuts or almonds before bed can help you feel satisfied and prevent you from waking up in the middle of the night for a snack. Just be mindful of the portion size, as nuts are calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. For a tasty and nutritious snack that can aid in weight loss, consider combining walnuts and almonds with other healthy options like Greek yogurt or berries. Number 3. Quinoa salad. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight and maintain muscle mass. According to a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, Quinoa has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause blood sugar spikes and can help prevent cravings in the middle of the night. A quinoa salad, made with vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes, can provide a refreshing and light meal that's perfect for those watching their calorie intake. The fiber in quinoa can also help you feel full and satisfied while aiding in digestion. To make your quinoa salad even more effective for burning belly fat, try adding a scoop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of nuts for extra protein and healthy fats. Just be sure to keep the portion sizes in check to avoid consuming too many calories. Overall, quinoa salad is a delicious and nutritious option for those looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is a lesser-known natural remedy for weight loss that may be worth considering. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to promote fat loss and reduce inflammation. Drinking a glass of tart cherry juice before bed can help you fall asleep faster and improve your overall sleep quality. One study found that participants who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced a significant reduction in body weight and fat mass after 4 weeks. The high antioxidant content of tart cherry juice can also help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation throughout the body. To make this bedtime drink even more effective for weight loss, try adding a splash of lemon juice or a few mint leaves for a refreshing and flavorful twist. Just be sure not to consume too much tart cherry juice, as it can be high in sugar content. As with any dietary supplement, it's always best to consult with your doctor before incorporating tart cherry juice into your weight loss regimen. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a fantastic source of magnesium, which is a mineral that helps regulate insulin levels and aids in weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds can reduce abdominal fat and waist circumference in overweight individuals. Pumpkin seeds are also high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a filling and satisfying snack that can prevent late-night cravings. According to another study, eating a high-protein snack like pumpkin seeds before bed can reduce overall calorie intake at subsequent meals by up to 30%. To make this snack even more effective for burning belly fat, try mixing pumpkin seeds with other healthy options like Greek yogurt or sliced apples. Just be mindful of the portion size, as pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense and can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Overall, pumpkin seeds are a delicious and nutritious way to end your day and support your weight loss goals. And there you have it, 5 amazing bedtime foods that can help you burn belly fat while you sleep. From high-protein Greek yogurt to filling pumpkin seeds, there are plenty of tasty and nutritious options to choose from. Remember that a balanced diet and regular exercise are key to successful weight loss, but incorporating these powerful nighttime snacks into your routine can make all the difference in reaching your goals. So, why wait? Start adding these superfoods to your diet today and get one step closer to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. We would love to have you join our community of health and wellness enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.